ElevenLabs Conversational AI is evolving. We've been optimizing some brand new features to create the most sophisticated voice agents in the world. First up, we've developed a state-of-the-art turn-taking model to help agents perfectly understand when to interrupt.
Thank you. And what's your order number, please?
Oh, let me just double check. 947835.
Perfect. Your delivery is on its way.
And secondly, we've integrated language detection for seamless multilingual discussions.
Hi, welcome to our design studio.
すみません、日本語で話してもいいですか？
もちろんです。日本語に切り替えましょう。
And we've built the world's first integrated RAG for voice agents to retrieve from your knowledge base at minimum latency with maximum privacy.
Your next patient is Mr. Frank Reynolds with ataxia.
Oh, it's been a while since I've worked with ataxia. Could you remind me of the guidelines, please?
Sure, I analyzed all the best practices and found this.
And lastly, why limit your creativity when you can switch between multiple characters in a single agent?
Okay, guys, let's head east towards downtown.
I'm not sure about that, boss.
Hey, don't be scared, man. Let's just go.
This is just the start of a new era of communication and understanding. All with full HIPAA compliance, third-party integration, enterprise-grade security, optional EU data residency, and industry-leading reliability across all agents. The potential of conversational AI has never been greater. The time to build is now.